Dwi wedi bod yn gwneud cyfweliad efo'r BBC bore yma yng Caergybi ynglyn â'r peryg o y potensial o adael yr Undeb Ewropeaidd heb gytundeb, a mae o'n rhywbeth sy'n yn ymhoeni fi yn fawr. I've been talking to the BBC this morning about the possibility of leaving the European Union without a deal, and it baffles me how some people can somehow be relaxed about that possibility. This is the second busiest roll-on roll-off ferry port in the UK. Dover's the busiest, and then this one. Any barriers to the free flow of trade through Holyhead is bad for Holyhead. Port is bad for jobs here. It's one of the main employers here on Anglesey, and it's bad for the economy in general. Now, we already know that if you turn Holyhead from the easiest passage between the UK and Ireland into somewhere that's a bit more challenging, trade will find other routes. We already know from the Irish government that they are already looking at and developing and have developed new routes directly through to continental Europe. A lot of the traffic through Holyhead comes from Northern Ireland. Now, if it suddenly becomes difficult for trade to go via Dublin because they're in the European Union, we're not, and there's no deal, that traffic can go straight to Stranraer. So even at this 11th hour, my appeal is to UK government, to those decision makers, is to realise and recognise the seriousness of what it is that they're talking about. We cannot afford to be blasé about the devastating impact potentially of a no-deal Brexit on Holyhead and the people of this great area.